Welcome to our video on 10 diabetes-fighting vegetables you should eat. We're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for anyone looking to combat diabetes through their diet. These aren't just your ordinary veggies. They are packed with nutrients and specific properties that can help regulate blood sugar levels. Before we jump into our countdown, we'd like to remind you to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell. By doing this, you'll stay updated with our latest health and nutrition guides, which are designed to help you live a healthier, more informed lifestyle. Now, let's get started with our list. Kicking off our list at number 10 is zucchini. This green vegetable is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels, thanks to its low carbohydrate content and high fiber. Zucchini's ability to aid in blood sugar regulation makes it a valuable ally in the fight against diabetes. The low carb count in zucchini means it has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose in the body, so foods lower in carbs can help maintain steady blood sugar levels. Additionally, the fiber in zucchini is beneficial as it slows down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. Beyond its benefits for blood sugar control, zucchini is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be grilled, roasted, sautéed, or even spiralized into zoodles as a low-carb pasta alternative. This versatility makes it easy to incorporate zucchini into your diet in a variety of delicious ways. At number 9 on our countdown, we have tomatoes. These vibrant and juicy vegetables, or fruits scientifically speaking, are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. Tomatoes are not only low in carbohydrates, but also rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. The low carbohydrate content of tomatoes means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This is crucial for individuals with diabetes, as managing carbohydrate intake is key to controlling blood glucose. In addition to being low in carbs, the natural sugars in tomatoes are released slowly into the bloodstream, helping to prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. Lycopene, the pigment that gives tomatoes their bright red color, is not just for show. It's linked to several health benefits. Studies have shown that lycopene may improve heart health, and for individuals with diabetes who are at a higher risk for heart-related issues, this is particularly important. Lycopene has been associated with lower rates of certain heart diseases and may help lower cholesterol levels. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be enjoyed raw in salads, cooked into sauces, or even roasted as a side dish. Their natural sweetness and acidity can enhance the flavor of a wide variety of dishes. Number 8 on our list is spinach, a leafy green that's a powerhouse in terms of nutritional value and is especially beneficial for those managing their blood sugar levels. Spinach is low in calories and carbohydrates, which makes it an ideal food choice for blood sugar control. The low carbohydrate content in spinach means it has minimal impact on blood glucose levels. This is particularly important for individuals with diabetes, as managing carb intake is a key component of keeping blood sugar levels stable. Furthermore, the low calorie count of spinach makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy weight, which is also crucial for optimal diabetes management. In addition to its low carbohydrate and calorie content, spinach is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a great source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and magnesium. These nutrients contribute to overall health and can help in the prevention of various health conditions. Spinach is also versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. It can be eaten raw in salads, added to smoothies for a nutrient boost, sautéed as a side dish, or included in omelets, soups, and stews. Landing at number 7 on our list is broccoli, a vegetable that is both nutrient-rich and beneficial for blood sugar management. Broccoli is high in fiber and packed with antioxidants, making it a great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. The fiber in broccoli is key for blood sugar control. Dietary fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a slower and more gradual increase in blood sugar levels. This is particularly important for individuals managing diabetes, as it helps maintain steady blood glucose levels and avoid spikes. Besides its high fiber content, Broccoli is also loaded with antioxidants. These substances combat oxidative stress in the body, which is linked to many chronic diseases, including diabetes. Antioxidants can help protect the body's cells and improve overall health. Broccoli is also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium, contributing to its overall health benefits. Its high nutrient density and low calorie count make it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight, which is an important factor in diabetes control. This versatile vegetable can be enjoyed in a variety of ways: steamed, roasted, or even raw in salads. Its mild flavor makes it easy to incorporate into a wide range of dishes. At number 6 in our countdown is cabbage, another fantastic vegetable for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. Cabbage is a low-carb vegetable, which makes it an excellent option for maintaining stable blood sugar. The low carbohydrate content of cabbage means it has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels when consumed. This is particularly important for individuals with diabetes, as controlling carb intake is a crucial aspect of managing the condition. Eating low-carb vegetables like cabbage can help keep blood sugar levels steady and prevent the spikes that can occur after eating foods high in carbohydrates. Cabbage is not only beneficial for its low-carb content, it's also packed with vitamins and nutrients. It contains vitamins C and K, and it's a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and further helps in blood sugar regulation. Moreover, cabbage is incredibly versatile and can be included in a variety of dishes. It can be used in salads, stir-fries, soups and stews. It can also be fermented to make sauerkraut, a probiotic-rich food that's great for gut health. We're now halfway through our countdown. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful health content. Coming in at number 5 is asparagus, a vegetable that's not only a delight to eat, but also offers significant benefits for blood sugar regulation. Asparagus is low in carbohydrates, which is a crucial feature for managing blood sugar levels, especially for those with diabetes. The low carb content in asparagus means it won't cause significant spikes in blood sugar, making it a great addition to your diet if you're trying to keep your glucose levels stable. But there's more to asparagus than just being low in carbs. It's also rich in antioxidants, which play an important role in overall health and can specifically aid in blood sugar management. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, a condition that can contribute to a variety of chronic diseases, including diabetes. By reducing oxidative stress, these antioxidants can help regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. Asparagus is incredibly versatile in the kitchen and can be prepared in a variety of ways: grilled, roasted, steamed, or even blanched. It can serve as a great side dish, be added to salads, or stir-fries. At number 4 on our countdown, we have bell peppers. These colourful vegetables are not just a treat for the eyes. They're also packed with nutrients and are an excellent choice for anyone following a diabetes-friendly diet. Bell peppers are particularly low in carbohydrates, which makes them ideal for blood sugar management. Foods low in carbs are beneficial for people with diabetes because they help prevent large spikes in blood sugar levels. Managing carb intake is key to controlling diabetes, and bell peppers fit perfectly into this dietary approach. But it's not just the low-carb content that makes bell peppers beneficial. They are also rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. In addition to vitamin C, bell peppers contain a variety of other antioxidants and vitamins that contribute to overall health and can help in managing diabetes. Bell peppers are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be eaten raw in salads, stuffed with various fillings, roasted, or added to stir-fries and other dishes. Their sweet, mild flavour and crunchy texture make them a popular vegetable in many cuisines. Securing the number 3 spot on our list are Brussels sprouts. These small but mighty vegetables are highly beneficial for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar levels and improve their overall metabolic health. Brussels sprouts are particularly high in fibre. Dietary fibre is crucial for blood sugar control as it slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This helps prevent rapid spikes in blood glucose levels, which is especially important for people with diabetes. The high fiber content also promotes a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management, a key factor in managing diabetes effectively. In addition to fiber, Brussels sprouts are packed with an array of nutrients. They are rich in vitamin C and K, as well as numerous antioxidants that support overall health. These nutrients contribute to improved metabolic health, reducing the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Brussels sprouts are versatile and can be prepared in various ways: roasted, steamed, sautéed, or even shredded into salads. Their unique flavour and texture make them a favourite in many dishes. Coming in strong at number 2 is cauliflower. This versatile vegetable is a fantastic choice for those managing diabetes, thanks to its low-carb profile. Cauliflower is an excellent substitute for higher carb foods, making it easier to maintain blood sugar levels. The low carbohydrate content in cauliflower is particularly beneficial for blood sugar control. When you replace high-carb foods like rice or potatoes with cauliflower, you significantly reduce the amount of glucose entering your bloodstream, helping to avoid spikes in blood sugar. This can be a game changer for individuals with diabetes, as managing carb intake is a crucial part of controlling the condition. But the benefits of cauliflower don't stop at its low-carb nature. It's also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can transform it into cauliflower rice, mash it as a substitute for mashed potatoes, or use it in place of pizza crust for a low-carb alternative. Its mild flavour makes it an excellent base for a variety of dishes, allowing it to blend seamlessly into your meals. Furthermore, cauliflower is rich in vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin C, vitamin K, and various other nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. And now, at the top spot, number 1, we have leafy greens, particularly kale and Swiss chard. These vegetables are the champions when it comes to fighting diabetes, thanks to their impressive nutritional profile. They are not only nutrient-dense and low in carbohydrates, but also high in fiber, making them the ideal choice for anyone managing diabetes. Kale and Swiss chard are packed with essential vitamins and minerals while being exceptionally low in calories and carbs. This makes them perfect for blood sugar control, as they provide vital nutrients without contributing to blood sugar spikes. The high fiber content in these leafy greens is particularly beneficial. Fiber helps to slow the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, aiding in the prevention of rapid increases in blood sugar levels. Moreover, these leafy greens are rich in antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that support overall health. They have anti-inflammatory properties and are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K and minerals like iron and calcium. One notable study published in the British Medical Journal found that an increased consumption of leafy green vegetables was associated with a significantly lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Another study, published in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association, suggested that the consumption of green leafy vegetables, along with fruits, was linked to improved glycemic control in people with type 2 diabetes. This improvement is largely attributed to the high fiber content in these vegetables, which helps slow down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. Incorporating kale and Swiss chard into your diet is easy and versatile. They can be added to salads, sautéed as a side dish, blended into smoothies, or included in soups and stews. Their robust flavours and textures add a delightful element to a variety of dishes. And that concludes our list of the top 10 diabetes-fighting vegetables you should eat. By incorporating these vegetables into your diet, you can embrace a delicious and natural approach to managing diabetes and maintaining overall health. These veggies aren't just good for you. They're also full of flavours and textures that can enhance your meals. If you found this video informative and helpful, please show your support by giving it a like and sharing it with others. Your engagement helps us reach more people who could benefit from this valuable information. We also value your feedback and experience. Have these vegetables helped you with your diabetes management? Do you have any favourite recipes that include these veggies? Please leave a comment below and share your thoughts or questions. Your input can be a source of inspiration and information for others. Remember, managing diabetes effectively involves making healthy daily choices, and what you eat plays a crucial role in this. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.